Hi, today we will be explaining the different progressional stages of the assembly of a replica. It offers different options of the motor and the chassis. For example, if you want the exotic car look with an economical engine, then you can assemble the Ferrari F430 kit on a donor 2005 MR2 Toyota. It has an economical package where they provide you with the 2005 MR2 Toyota donor chassis and transform the MR2 into the Ferrari F430 clone for only US $20,000. If you want more muscle, then can provide you with a racing high-performance tube chassis space frame with a new 2010 Ford Mustang engine and your Ferrari F430 painted to your colors for only $28,000. Or you can have an even bigger motor from a 760 Li BMW V12 engine with a tube chassis for less than $40,000. Delivers the car to your home with a clear title and registration. The car also comes with a 3-year warranty or 75,000-mile guarantee. This is more of a reason why people choose to buy cars. The quality and the price are very important, but also equally important is our service. Our engineers let you choose the way you want the car to be built. What amazes me is the doors are hung perfectly, and they are solid doors. When you open and shut them, you can hear how they sound. With weld reinforcement inside the doors, these cars are built for safety and luxury. The paint is also very important. The quality is of the highest standard and the finish is immaculate.
Also offers the Ferrari replica with a Tesla electric motor or a V12 BMW 760 Li engine. Here you get to choose your interior and exterior colors. The car is also assembled to your specifications, and you can choose the size and configuration between a big V12 motor or a V8 engine. You can also choose the model motor that you prefer for your dream car. The new Ferrari replica kit is assembled onto a tube chassis with a new BMW 760 Li V12 engine with a paddle shift transmission for only $38,000.